So I thought I'd make a quick video just to clear up stuff. Thank you very much for your feedback. It's really helped. You can see that I've kind of changed a few things. So now the way it looks is over here you can actually choose different areas of for strengths, and then potentially the same things for stretches. And then what I've done is instead of grade leveling, it's whether the student is below peers, the same as their peers, slightly above peers, or well above peers. Obviously, each year this would change, but really the idea is that it's a informal assessment that helps to place them. So if you double click on the chart here, you can hear the little one in the background. And this is something that I would do, but I'm just kind of showing you. So then I can put in whatever I feel is the maybe it's math, social science, and then as I exit out here, you can see now that's changed. So you can see that let's go through and edit this. So let's put their strength 1, let's say, was attention. Then let's say there's also, let's say their stretch was communication. Okay, like that. So now, if we look back at it, we can see that their communication is really quite high when it's in socials, but in other subjects it's not so high. So it kind of gives you an idea of how the layout looks. Then what I've added over here as well is the potential strategies, and I've got drop-down menus as well. So what I've done is I've gone and found a load of like a list of products. So you'll see here, when you click here, it's different ways that we can have kids produce work. So like a 3D model or an advertisement animation, whatever, right? It's a number of different ways that really quick and easily you can choose these. So when you walk away from the meeting, you've got these things like, I'm going to get fairy tale. That's what I'm going to get this kid to work on. They're really imaginative, and I'm going to get them to make fairy tale, and that's how they're going to demonstrate their learning. And then on the bottom section, I've got kind of about the planning tool. So in summary, it's something that I would do with the teacher, and they would walk away, like I would print this out and they would walk away with it. I don't know if that now makes more sense. The other thing is with the chart, you can actually invert the data so you can make it look different. So you could have the different subjects around the outside, and then you can have the actual abilities around the middle. It's just another way of looking at it. Anyway, I'll send you a copy. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for your input.